Control. Comfort. Peace of mind. With Caseta by Lutron, you'll enjoy all the benefits of smart lighting control. The Lutron Smart Hub makes it easy to unlock powerful system features. Create customized scenes and schedules in the Lutron app, like a welcome home scene to ensure you come back to a well-lit house, and movie time to dim the lights and lower shades for the perfect theater mood. And activate features such as Smart Away to make it look like you're home when you're not. Caseta by Lutron provides flexibility and control beyond the wall switch, so you can set and manage your lights from virtually anywhere, using the app, Smart Remote, or even your voice. The Smart Hub uses its own ultra-fast, reliable network that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi, so your lights and custom schedules will still work, even if your Wi-Fi goes down. Install the Smart Hub in just 3 simple steps. Connect it into your router, plug the Smart Hub into an outlet, then download and set up the app. Your Smart Hub is now communicating with your Caseta smart devices. You can rest easy knowing you have the most connected smart lighting control brand on the market. That means your Caseta system will seamlessly integrate with most smart devices you have now, and the ones you'll get in the future. For the ultimate in control, comfort, and peace of mind, choose Caseta by Lutron, the smarter choice for smart lighting.